Tuberculosis. Pediatrics. Introduction. Bacillus is a type of bacteria. Select true or false. Correct. Bacillus is a type of bacteria. A child with active tuberculosis can spread the disease through the air as he or she coughs or sneezes. Select true or false. Correct. Tuberculosis can spread through the air as a child with an active infection coughs or sneezes. But since an infected child only breathes out a few bacilli when he or she exhales, another person would have to be around the child for a month or more before they would catch tuberculosis. Which of the following are tubercles made of? Choose one of the following options. 1. Alveoli. 2. Infected macrophages. Correct. Children with a weak immune system are more likely to develop active tuberculosis after an initial infection. Select true or false. Correct. If the body's resistance is low due to infections, malnutrition, or other diseases, the bacilli may break out of the tubercles and cause active tuberculosis. Only people with active TB are contagious. Select true or false. Correct. Shortness of breath indicates an advanced stage of active tuberculosis. Select true or false. Correct. Shortness of breath occurs after tuberculosis causes damage in the lungs. The best way to find out if a child has been exposed to tuberculosis is with a skin test. Select true or false. Correct. Usually, the only way to find out if a child has been exposed to TB is by giving a skin test. Tuberculosis bacteria become resistant when drug treatments are not taken correctly. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.